The Hetorosu 5QT Maifanite Chafing Dish Set offers a sophisticated solution for hosting events, blending functionality with a refined aesthetic. Each of the 4 chafing dishes features a durable Maifanite coating, which ensures excellent non-stick performance and makes cleanup remarkably easy after large gatherings. The elegant black and gold finish provides a modern, professional appearance that elevates the presentation of any buffet line, wedding spread, or catering setup. Designed with convenience in mind, the Hetorosu 5QT Maifanite Chafing Dish Set includes high-quality glass lids that allow guests to view the contents without releasing heat. The integrated lid holders keep workstations organized and clutter-free, providing a seamless service experience for both hosts and attendees. With a capacity of 5 quarts per unit, this set is perfectly sized to maintain optimal serving temperatures for a variety of main courses and side dishes during long celebrations. Reliability and style define the experience of using the Hetorosu 5QT Maifanite Chafing Dish Set, making it an essential investment for frequent entertainers. The sturdy construction ensures consistent heat distribution, keeping food warm and appetizing throughout your entire event. Whether you are hosting an intimate party or managing a complex catering operation, these food warmers provide the consistent quality and visual appeal needed to impress your guests. Pros: durable Maifanite coating, smooth non-stick surface, easy to clean, simple installation. Stackable for storage, advanced heat retention, transparent glass lids, built-in lid holders. Integrated drip trays, elegant black-gold design. Cons: no featured offers available, only 32 ratings. Total features: 4-pack set, 5QT capacity, Maifanite coated, black and gold finish, glass lid included. Built-in lid holder, ideal for parties, perfect for weddings, catering event ready, food. Warming function. The Hetorosu 5QT Maifanite Chafing Dish Set offers a sophisticated solution for hosting events, blending functionality with a refined aesthetic. Each of the 4 chafing dishes features a durable Maifanite coating, which ensures excellent non-stick performance and makes cleanup remarkably easy after large gatherings. The elegant black and gold finish provides a modern, professional appearance that elevates the presentation of any buffet line, wedding spread, or catering setup. The Hetorosu 4-pack 5QT Maifanite Coated Chafing Dish Set offers several advantages for event catering, including a durable and easy-to-clean non-stick surface, elegant black and gold aesthetics, and practical features like stackable storage, integrated drip trays, and transparent glass lids with built-in holders for improved heat retention. Despite these functional benefits, potential buyers should be aware that the product currently has a limited track record with only 32 total customer ratings and lacks featured discount offers, which may necessitate careful consideration regarding long-term reliability and value.